Isabella, hi. Are you taking a big girl bath? Yeah? Yeah, you're taking a big girl bath? This is your first one, isn't it? How do you like it, huh? Isabella. Isabella. Can you look at Mommy? How did that letter taste? Hi. Hi, big girl. Oh, hey, baby. You got bubbles on your face. You got a beard. Do you like the bubbles? Do you like the bubbles? You got a beard. Look at all those toys. You gonna eat them? Are you gonna eat them? Isabella. Hi, baby. Hi. What you doing? Are you taking a big girl bath? Yeah? Hey! Hey, baby! Uh-oh, where'd it go? Hi. Hi, big girl. Hey, baby. Hey, big girl, what you doing? Are you taking a big girl bath? Hi. Oh, do you like your bath? Yeah. Is it fun? Say hi. Hi. Ooh, does that taste yummy? Does that taste yummy? Yeah? Yummy, yummy? Ooh, you like the bubbles? Yeah? You like the bubbles? Yeah? Hi. Get it. Get it. Get it. What do you have here? Ooh, a turtle. Mwah. You can give it a kiss. Mwah. Ooh, very sweet. Mwah. 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 Oh, very sweet. Mwah. Mwah. You like those letters, don't you? You like those letters. What are you gonna get now? What's in there? What about... Got your dolly? Mwah. 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 Aw, it's sweet. Mwah. Boop, boop, boop. You like your letters, huh? Yeah. Can you say bye? Say bye.